Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a RedNote post. If you want to edit a post that you have already published on RedNote, so simply watch the full video. So firstly what you need to do is open the RedNote app, and from here you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and over here you need to select one of the posts that you want to edit. Simply tap onto the post, and here you need to select to this icon in the top right corner. And over here on the bottom, simply swipe in the right hand side until you find this edit icon and select that. So from here, you can make changes to your caption, tags and other editable details. So simply you can add your title, you can change the title. You can also add more hashtag if you want. And you can also add usual, poll or translate. And once you're finished editing, you can simply select post in the bottom right. And that is it. That's how you can edit a post on RedNote. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.